Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we will be looking at something a little different, still in the 164 category, so it's still under the Hot Wheels, but this time it's a Majorette vehicle, the Porsche 917. Now this is the first time I'm featuring something else than Hot Wheels on the channel. I don't have many of 164s from other brands, but I considered it's a good time to take a look at one of these, and it was in reach. So yeah, the Porsche 917. Now, according to Wikipedia, and I will link this information down below, this is a prototype sports car developed by Porsche to exploit the regulations regarding the construction of 5-liter sports cars, powered by a flat 12 engine, produced in 1969. The historics about it is really interesting. Like I said, I will place a link below, take a read. It has some extensive history from the origins to construction to the engine and so on. So yeah. Now, this being a Majorette, it's a bit different to unpack than the usual Hot Wheels. I already started because I wanted to see what will happen. Let me refocus the camera. Okay. It also comes with that card. I think you could see that. Unfortunately, I don't think the box can be saved. No, but at least we have the card. All right, okay. Well, in any case, so 12 cylinders, engine size, horsepower, speed, weight, yeah, pretty interesting stuff. I will see how I can get this card out of here, but until then, okay, yeah, the packaging is quite special, I want to say, or rather more interesting than Hot Wheels. I know, blasphemy, but it is what it is. Let me set these aside. Okay, and let's talk about the model. So it is die-cast. Yeah. The difference between Hot Wheels and this is that it has movable parts. So the back cover, okay, the back cover can be removed, and it's a picture of the engine, that flat 6. Porsche. Yeah, this is really interesting. So besides the fact that it looks really cool and really detailed, it also has some quality to it. I don't know, the Hot Wheels always looked cool to me, and I don't deny it, but it has a little bit more detail. Let's say this: the headlamps, the exhausts, the general quality of the paint. The paint is really interesting. It has a lot of details. It's a vibrant red. I'm hoping the camera relays this. So it is a vibrant red with the stripes going down the middle. An interesting choice. So the steering wheel is on the right side. Well, who knows? Doesn't matter. The windscreen wipers. So yeah, it's pretty cool. This model is really interesting. And the doors that have the signs that are butterfly wings, the moving part, the typical 60s to early 70s wheel styles. Number 23 Porsche 133 shell, yeah, another cool detail. But yeah, I really like this. This is really interesting. Here they couldn't paint, probably, or didn't want to. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, a really cool model, 164 of the Porsche 917. But as always, you know that I would be really interested in your opinions on the matter. Leave a comment down below and let's discuss. For me personally, this is a cool addition to the channel. But like I said, I would also like your opinions. That being said, thank you so much for watching and have a good one.